Imagine a world where dinosaurs still soar through the skies. Crazy, right? Well, look no further than your backyard. That's because today's birds are living dinosaurs. Yes, you heard that right. From the mighty T. Rex to the feathered Archaeopteryx, dinosaurs evolved feathers not for flying at first, but for staying warm or showing off. Over millions of years, those feathers transformed into wings, giving rise to the ultimate survivors, birds. So, the next time you see a pigeon or a hawk, remember, you're looking at a modern-day dino in disguise.